Well, I was here a few months back, to bring a very special papal blessing for Chief Dokpesi. And look, I consider myself a founding father of AIT because I was with him in Alagbado. So we go back many years. This has come to us as a great shock, and I believe that it's not only me, but the whole nation. An extraordinary human being, very committed patriot. Nigeria will never be the same again. Communications in Nigeria will never be the same again. He came, he saw, he conquered, he paid his dues. We're dearly, dearly very proud of him. I was around for his 70th birthday, and we hadn't spoken for quite some time. He came to my house in Sokoto. We had lunch together. So I have very fond memories of him, but he's laid a foundation. All we can do is to build on it.